Hey guys, this is how to recover your Telegram account without a phone number. So guys, I want to tell you directly now that you must have a phone number in order to log in to your Telegram account. So now let's open up the Telegram application. The only way you can recover your old Telegram account without the phone number is if the same Telegram account is already logged into one of your devices. When you tap on Start Messaging and try to log in some cases, a code will be sent to your device. If you go to another phone that already has your Telegram account logged in, you'll get the code there, and from that point, you'll be able to recover your Telegram account. But if not, you won't be able to recover it. And guys, if your Telegram account is not logged in on another device, sadly, account recovery isn't possible without the verification code that gets sent to your phone number. And there you go. I hope this helps you out. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you.